In this video today, I'm going to show you some powerful things you can do with Google's new tool called Nano Banana. First, you can upload a single picture and ask it to change the outfit. Second, you can combine two people in one image. Third, you can upload an image of yourself plus images of your dream outfit, your dream wedding gown, or even your dream car, and Nano Banana will generate it all together. Imagine standing in front of your dream car while wearing your dream outfit. We're going to see it all in this video. As you all know, I always make sure my subscribers stay updated with latest AI tools and trends. And trust me, this one is a game changer. Like I always say, AI tools are not here to take away jobs. They are here to help us stay efficient and creative. All right, let's try it out.
So we're going to click on the describe image box, then activate the Nano Banana down below. Right, so we're going to click on tools. Inside the describe image option, click on create image, click on the plus sign and upload your file. So it's going to take you to a photo library and you can select the particular image that you want. This is the one I'm going to pick. Yes, open. Then the image is going to pop up here. So the image, yeah, this is the image. Change the outfit of the lady in the picture and make her sit in a park like someone waiting for a date. So I'm going to read again to be sure that the context makes sense and make corrections. So we ask you to change the outfit of the lady, but you have not said you should change it to maybe a casual or a corporate outfit. So since it's a date, we are going to say change the outfit of the lady into a casual date outfit and make it a color pink and black. So we're going to hit run to process the image. Hold on a few seconds for the image to generate, and voila, the image has generated. You see, it's wearing a pink top on a black skirt. So don't forget to download your image. If you still remember, at the beginning of this video, I told you I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana to change an outfit and also merge two images together in one. So click on the upload file option and select the image of your choice. I want to bring an image of a guy because the girl was actually waiting for him at the park. So I'm going to pick an image and the image is currently loading. This is the image of the boy. I'm also going to go back to pick the image of the girl. So that's the image of the girl, and I'm going to write a prompt. I'm going to say add the boy in the first image, make him sit beside the girl and put his arms around her. Make him sit beside the girl and put his arms around her neck. So I'm going to hit the run button and the image is currently loading. Yeah, this is the image, but I noticed that there is a little mistake on the image that was generated. You can see that the lady has two arms, one on the guy's shoulder and two on her laps. The guy is the one who was supposed to put his arms around her, not her. So we're going to regenerate. I'm going to re-edit the prompt and say make corrections with the edit. The boy and the girl sitting next to each other with their arms around each other like they are on a date. Mistakes are allowed, right? Because if I just go straight to the point and I'm showing you perfection and maybe eventually while trying it you now later made a mistake, right? It's going to be somehow. So that's why I'm showing you that yeah, we are all prone to mistakes, and the most important thing is knowing how to regenerate and re-edit your prompt to give you the best result. So, and you can see this is our result. It's looking so beautiful and exactly what we prompted. All right, let's move to the next one. For those of us interested in storytelling without ever having to show your face, you need to watch this. So I'm going to upload the file now. Pick the particular image that I want. I'm going to pick this one, then click open. Once the image has uploaded, I'm going to start typing my prompt and say change the color of the lady's hoodie. You know, the lady in the picture that we uploaded is wearing the hoodie, so change the color of the lady's hoodie to blue and change her hairstyle to an afro style. Also change our background to a studio with the inscription Larry Studios written on the wall of the studio behind her. Click on generate and wait a few seconds. So this is the image. Isn't it beautiful? We asked it to make her wear an afro hair. So this is the afro hair and the blue hoodie. Isn't it nice? And the background has the Larry Studios that we want with lighting, and I think it's cool. So if imagine you want to use this for a storytelling video, I mean, you've generated your image, what else do you want? Hit the download button to save your video. So the next one is make this same image wear a wedding gown. Right, so this is the wedding gown, you can see. So it may not show the full picture because the image was not a full image. So I'm going to change the image and put an image of a lady wearing a full dress. So the prompt is make the lady wear a wedding gown, change the background to a wedding backdrop, and let the image be a full picture wedding backdrops. So that is the prompt that I later used to achieve this, and you can see the result is dope. Very quickly, let's change this wedding gown. So I'm going to click on the plus sign, then click on upload file, then start typing my prompts. Change the outfit of the lady to a tank top and a jean. So this is the outcome, and it's beautiful. I'm going to download it, and let's try another one. Change the outfit into a Gucci two-piece. Add a Valentino shoe and a Louis Vuitton bag. Make corrections where necessary and hit run. I think this is beautiful. So the reason why we have a half length picture is because the lady that we use is also half length. So if you want it to have a full length, just type in the prompt and say generate a full length. After the full length image came out, the result shows that she's carrying 2 bags. So we're going to need to edit those bags and make her carry only 1 bag. So that's the prompt. Just make her carry only 1 bag. And this is the result. So make her stand in front of a pink Lamborghini while holding an iPhone on our right hand, or any type of phone, while the left hand is still holding the bag. You see, she's currently standing in front of a pink Lamborghini, and so we're also going to say because the hand is raised up, we don't want it to be raised. So we're going to say the hand holding the phone should be down. So you can see the hand has been put down and she's still maintaining that posture. So it's actually everything you imagine. And finally, this is the last one for this session. So the next one is make the lady in the second image wear the wedding gown beside her. You can see, isn't this beautiful? She's probably putting on the wedding gown that we attached to the image we uploaded. When I said you can make your images wear your dream wedding gown, this is what I meant. Change your images to anything and make them wear anything of your choice. If it's for content creation or storytelling, this is exactly how you're going to do it, and you're going to achieve it.
Before I wrap up, let me remind you, on Larry Studios, I bring you the latest AI tools, tutorials, and strategies you can use to make money, grow your brand, and take your content creation journey to the next level. So what do you think you're going to be creating with Nano Banana? Let me know in the comments. I can't wait to see ideas. And as always, if you got value from this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss updates like this. This is Larry Studios. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.